Welcome to Tiny Tales for Kids.
In a quiet, snowy land where the ice sparkled under the morning sun, lived two
little penguin sisters, Penny and Polly. Penny was cheerful and hard-working. She loved to stay busy, helping, preparing, and making sure everything was just right. Almost there. Just a few more. Penny was cheerful and hardworking. Polly, her younger sister, was very different. She loved to rest and play. I wish you could have seen the big one I caught. You always catch the best ones, Penny. Let's gather more food today. Winter is coming soon. Maybe later. I just want to rest a little more. Working all morning, while Polly had been resting the entire time.
Penny spent her days getting ready for the cold ahead. Polly believed there would always be plenty of time.
There's still time, don't worry.
So, while Penny worked, Polly played. She laughed, slid across the ice, and forgot all about her responsibilities.
That night, as everything grew quiet, Polly noticed something she hadn't before. A small feeling of worry began to grow inside her.
Without warning, the storm came. Strong winds howled, and snow covered everything in sight.
Polly wasn't ready. She had no food, no warmth, and nowhere to turn. Cold, lonely moment. Polly finally understood. Waiting had cost her everything.
Penny did not turn away. With kindness in her heart, she brought her sister inside and shared what she had. The storm passed, Polly made a different choice. This time, she didn't wait. She worked. This may feel easy for a moment, but hard work protects you when it matters most.